Imagine you're conducting an orchestra where every section has to hit the right notes for a flawless performance. That's your company, and as a finance manager, you're the conductor. Your baton? Performance metrics. But let's face it, keeping track of every violin and cello, every department and investment can be overwhelming. Enter ChatGPT, your AI maestro, transforming the cacophony of data into a symphony of insights. Now, you're probably wondering, how does this AI help me fine-tune my company's performance? Well, think of ChatGPT as your analytics virtuoso. You feed it the scores, past and present financial data, and it plays back a comprehensive analysis. It's like having a financial radar that scans across all departments, highlighting your star performers and those that may need a bit of tuning. But it's not just about the present, it's about composing the future. ChatGPT can predict how the next movement might sound based on the current melody of metrics. This foresight allows you to adjust your strategies, ensuring that every note contributes to the overall success. And here's where it gets really interesting. You can set benchmarks within ChatGPT. Think of them as your musical score. These benchmarks guide the AI to identify any deviations, any off-key notes, and bring to your attention the sections that are playing exceptionally well. Now remember, while metrics give you the quantitative notes, the qualitative music, the story behind the numbers, that's where your expertise shines. ChatGPT provides the data, but you bring the narrative to life. It's that human touch that turns numbers into actionable business strategies. So, with ChatGPT by your side, you're not just crunching numbers, you're ensuring that every department, every investment is playing in harmony, optimizing your company's performance. It's about giving your company not just effort and courage, but purpose and direction. Embrace AI-enhanced performance metric evaluation and conduct your company to resonate with the harmonious tunes of success. Hey, I hope you like it so far. In the finance sector, managers with AI integration skills earn 20% more. Enhance your financial strategies and decision-making. Seize this opportunity. The Finance Manager AI Integration Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, all yours. Elevate your finance career today at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. So you've got a ton of data on your hands, right? Numbers, charts, the works. And you're thinking, how do I make sense of all this? Well, that's where ChatGPT comes into play. Imagine having a sidekick that's all about performance metrics evaluation. Let's say you're knee-deep in financial ratio analysis. You're looking at liquidity, profitability, the whole shebang. ChatGPT can sift through those numbers, spot trends, and even highlight areas that might need your attention. It's like having a second set of eyes, but these ones don't need coffee breaks. Or maybe you're doing a budget variance analysis. You've got your projections versus actuals, and things are looking a bit off. ChatGPT can help pinpoint exactly where those variances are steepest, so you can figure out why and adjust accordingly. It's like detective work, but you've got the ultimate partner in crime solving. ROI calculations? A breeze. ChatGPT can crunch those numbers, consider the variables, and give you a clear picture of where your investments are really taking you. It's like having a financial GPS. And when it comes to cost-benefit analysis, ChatGPT can weigh those pros and cons with you, ensuring you're making informed decisions that'll benefit the bottom line. It's like a debate, but you're both on the same team. KPI tracking is another game altogether. You've got targets to hit, and ChatGPT can keep an eye on them, offering real-time updates and forecasts. It's like having a coach who's always got your stats on hand. Revenue and sales analysis? ChatGPT can slice and dice that data, helping you understand the story behind the numbers. It's like having a translator for your financial narrative. And let's not forget cash flow forecasting. ChatGPT can help you look ahead, anticipate the ebbs and flows, and plan accordingly. It's like having a crystal ball, but for your finances. In short, ChatGPT is your go-to for making those complex evaluations a whole lot simpler. It's not just about the data, it's about making that data work for you. So let's dive in and turn those metrics into insights that'll drive your business forward. Ready? Let's do this. Hey, quick commercial break. Training in finance management sharpens your financial acumen, making you an indispensable asset to your organization. Act now and get your Finance Manager Handbook, audiobook, and video training for just $29, tailored to your role. It's a smart investment. Find it all at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, so you're knee deep in performance metrics and you're looking to sharpen your analysis. Whether it's risk assessment, financial statements, or capital budgeting, the devil's in the details, right? But here's the kicker. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon. Let's talk risk assessment. You're playing financial defense, anticipating the what ifs. ChatGPT can sift through data, identify patterns, and even predict potential pitfalls. It's like having a crystal ball, minus the hocus pocus. Now, financial statement analysis. That's the bread and butter of your world. ChatGPT can crunch those numbers, highlight trends, and even draft reports. It's like having an assistant who's a math whiz, tirelessly working to make you look good. Capital budgeting analysis, though, that's where the future's at stake. You're deciding where to invest, and ChatGPT can model scenarios, compare outcomes, and help you make decisions that are solid as a rock. Employee performance evaluation. It's personal, it's subjective, but it doesn't have to be a shot in the dark. ChatGPT can analyze performance data, offer unbiased insights, and keep things fair. It's like a mediator in your pocket, ensuring everyone gets a fair shake. And benchmarking? That's your compass. ChatGPT can track industry standards, gauge your company's standing, and set realistic targets. It's like having a coach who knows the score and helps you aim higher. So, whether you're mitigating risks, dissecting financial health, plotting investments, evaluating your team, or setting the bar, ChatGPT is your go-to. It's not just about having ideas, it's about realizing them. And with ChatGPT, you're not just on top of your game, you're changing it. This teaser introduces our full training. Explore the entire curriculum at completeaitraining.com/finance manager for $29. The package includes 10 hours of video content, a comprehensive audiobook, and a 300-page book, all focused on your job's AI applications. You'll learn to make AI work for you, increasing efficiency and expertise. This can boost your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and make you 300% more likely to get hired in AI-related roles. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager for full access.